Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you what to do when Claude AI is not available in your country. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to install a program called a VPN, and what this VPN does is it basically simulates your connection from a different location. So the one I recommend using is going to be called Proton VPN. I'm just going to go to my Google Chrome and I'm going to type it into my search bar. So I'm going to click on the first link over here, protonvpn.com. Going to click on Get Proton VPN. And then I'm going to use the free version. Just make sure you click on Continue with Free. It's going to ask for your email address, which I'm going to type in right now. And I'm going to click on download for Windows here. So chances are you're going to want to download the x64 version. If you're using some Ultrabooks, for example, they have ARM CPUs. You can give that a quick search to find out which one exactly you're going to need. But I'm pretty sure that it's going to be the x64 version. So I've downloaded the installer and now I'm just going to click on it to run it. And then I'm just going to click through the install process real quick. You also want to make sure you uncheck these additional programs to try to get you to download. Then I'm going to click on install. So while it's setting up, I'm going to go back to Claude. So my Claude thankfully isn't blocked or is perfectly accessible in my country, as you can see here. So I'm just going to wait for a minute or two while the VPN finishes installing. And as you can see, it automatically connected me to the nearest fastest server. So the fastest free server right now is in Japan. So that's where my connection will be coming from when accessing these websites. And if I refresh this page, this should be what I see. So hopefully this fixes your problem and you're able to use Claude AI after doing so. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.